Alright. It's negative 20 outside right now. So we're going to see if the Duramax will start. Oh, it started. It didn't sound good, but it started. We'll let her warm up for a bit. Alright, I'll show you how cold it is in the truck now. Oh, that seat is cold. Holy buckets. 17 below. It says it's 20 below on my phone. Oh my gosh, it is cold. Oh. You can see on the windshield. It didn't snow last night. That's literally just from it being cold. Oh, look at that. Oh, not that one. Next one. There we go. Coolant level low. That coolant. That's new. Man, it is cold. Oh. Well, I'm gonna drive home now. Well, we're about 15 minutes into our drive. 19 below. Truck still has not even moved on the temp gauge. My steering wheel's warm, which you guys will make fun of me for, I'm sure. Yeah, steering wheel's warm. Engine definitely not warm yet, but it is cold. I'm freezing in here. I can't believe the truck hasn't warmed up a bit. I mean, I let her warm up for 5-10 minutes back there before I ran it, and we've been driving for 15 minutes at least now, and we're still under 160 for temp. So it's chilly out here, but truck runs, and this guy just pulled out right in front of me, so that was nice. Look at that. It's okay, he's an old man, we'll let him get away with it. So yeah, I mean, that's my cold start video. I might do something on the Ranger and see how that starts this morning as well. This is the coldest day in Minnesota for this winter. So maybe we'll get colder. Kind of doubt it. 20 below is pretty cold for Minnesota. So thanks for watching.